Hi. Ethan. You wanna sing with me, buddy? You wanna sing a song? Well, I heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do you? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lift. The baffled king composing, hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Can you sing hallelujah? Hallelujah. Hey. What are you doing?